welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below and join this amazing YouTube family. I know you all came here to watch me shave my face. I know that, guys, and we are going to jump right into the video without wasting any much time, okay? And I know some of you have these questions like, oh, why are you shaving your face? Oh, I don't see any hair on your face, you're not so hairy. Why not try other methods? Why do you want to shave? Oh, the hair is going to grow back. But guys, I've tried using other methods, okay, to get rid of the hairs all over my face, and it didn't end well. I mean, like, most of those methods are very painful. But first, I'm going to show you guys my face. Like, I'm going to zoom in so you can see my face very well. Like, I feel like the best way to say this is I am trying to shave my mustache, because that is the biggest concern I have. Like, guys, I have mustache. Yes, mustache. So I'm going to come closer. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see my face. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but I have like this dark hair. The hair, they are so tiny you can barely see them, but because they are dark you can tell like I have something here. So like, I just wanted to zoom in so you guys can see it. This is one of my biggest concern, because most times when I put on makeup, I don't know how to hide that. Like, it keeps showing for my makeup. I feel like it keeps showing. Though people will tell me, oh, it's not noticeable, like it's just your mind because you know it's there, that is why you feel like it's showing. But I can tell, like I can see it in the mirror that it's showing even without makeup, guys. Like, when I look at the mirror, the first thing I see on my face is just this dark covering here. And I also have hair like in other places, like this place all down here. I also have this side. I have like under my jaw. I have lots of hair under here, guys. You're not seeing it now because I plucked a couple of them, like the very long ones. I plucked it a few days ago. So I'm very hairy, and I have the hair all over my face too, and I've been trying to figure out how to get rid of them. I tried plucking my hair. The thing I don't like with plucking out the hair on my face is because, one, you can only pluck out very few, just the long ones, the ones that are very visible and very long. That is the only one you can pluck out, and then most times it's very painful. Not most times, all the time it's very painful, and then sometimes it leaves like scars all over my face. Like, from that very spot I plucked out the hair, you're going to see the spots, you're going to see like scars, okay, there. So I really don't like that, because I pluck out one hair and then I stay 1 week, 2 weeks waiting to see if the scar there is going to clear up. So I don't like that. It's painful. It leaves scars on my face, and you can't get rid of everything. I can't pluck the mustache hair, okay? I can't pluck out the small tiny hair all over my face. I can only pluck out the long visible ones, okay? And then I also tried out the strip, and that did not end well at all, guys. That was so terrible. That was so painful. So painful. Like, I cried the first time I used the strip. I used it twice, but the first time I used it I cried because it was so painful pulling it out. Like, the white strip, it was so painful pulling it out. And guys, my face broke out after using it. Actually, when I used it the first time, my face broke out. I'm going to leave a clip of it here, because I made like a very short clip then, like, you know, trying to see what my face looked like and all that. So I'm going to leave the clip somewhere up here. But guys, my face broke out, and I decided to, like, you know, try it again. So I think after a month or so I decided to use it again, and after using the second time, my face still broke out badly. Like, badly. So I feel like those two methods are not for me. And I know there are lots of other things you can do to the hair on your body and all that, but most of them are expensive and I can't afford them right now, okay? So, and also, guys, I am actually making this video for my Igbo sisters out there. Like, guys, I'm Nigerian, I'm Igbo, like I'm from the Igbo tribe, and it is believed that the girls from my side, like, we tend to have lots of hair on our body and on our face. Like, we tend to have facial hair a lot. So, and I know most of us like don't know what to do with this hair. We don't know how to get rid of it, and most of us are very scared of shaving our face. Guys, I've thought about shaving my face for years now, but because I'm scared, like, I'm not sure. Like, you keep hearing, oh, it's going to grow out longer, thicker, darker and all that. So I decided not to do it. But I finally found the courage to do it, okay? And I'm doing it for all my Igbo sisters out there, because I'm going to come back in a month or 2 months time to give you guys an update on what happened to my face. How did my face react to this? Did it break out? Did the hair grow thicker or darker or longer, and, you know, stuff like that. Now we're just going to get straight into the video. I'm going to go ahead and wash my face first, because, like, you want to wash out every dirt on your face before you try shaving your face. So I'm going to go ahead now and wash my face, and I'll be back. I'm back from washing my face, guys, and this is my face without any like product, any skin product, any makeup, nothing. I just washed my face and I dried it, and that is it. And guys, my face, like my skin has improved incredibly. Like I can't even explain how I feel about it. If you want me to share my skincare routine, okay, just let me know in the comment section, because guys, my skin has improved so well since I took my skincare routine very serious. So guys, I'm going to wear this on my hair, okay? It's going to help keep all this hair out of my face. Yo, that's my baby. She's trying to get in. That's my baby, guys. Please. So I'm going to go ahead and use my tool now, okay, to clean my face, just to make sure I don't have any dirt left on my face.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail.
Now the next thing I'm going to put on my face is this extra virgin olive oil. Guys, I think you can actually use any facial oil for this, okay? So you're going to apply this oil on your face. It's going to help your razor like slide through your face easily, okay, without you mistakenly cutting your face. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and apply this on my face now. So guys, I'm done like adding whole oil on my face. I know I added too much. I was just being extra and being careful too, because I really want the razor to slide through my face, okay? You can also use aloe vera gel. From the videos I watched, some people use aloe vera gel, and I feel like it's the same thing. Aloe vera gel is slimy, so you know it's going to help the razor slide through your face when you apply it. So it's the same thing. And this is the razor I'm using, guys. I got this razor from a hair store near my house, but I know that you can get like this razor everywhere. It's in different stores, it's online. Like I'm going to leave a link to razors like this from Amazon. And guys, when shaving your face, don't hold your razor like this. You're going to just cut yourself. Hold it this way, like hold it facing down, not like facing your face. Hold it facing down. So I'm going to use this other hand to pull up the side I'm shaving. So I'm just going to like pull it this way, take it up while I shave down. So guys, see, I already shaved like just this side, and see the amount of hair coming out. Wow. So guys, I'm going to go ahead now and shave the mustache area, okay? And since I can't like pull it with my hand, like, you know, pull it up and shave at the same time, I'm just going to like do this just to hold it tight.
Follow you're trailing. I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
So guys, I'm finally done with shaving my face. My face feels so smooth, like very smooth, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and use a toner to wipe off my face, you know, wipe off the whole oil, the whole hair, and all the dirt like that came out from shaving my face. So yeah, this toner is alcohol free, as you guys can see here. So guys, I'm done cleaning my face. So this is my face now. It's so smooth. I feel like my makeup application is going to go very well, very smooth. It's going to make my makeup look so good, and I just like the fact that when I run my hand through my face, it feels so smooth. Okay, so I'm going to come back maybe in a month or 2 months or earlier, I don't know yet. It depends on how fast my hair grows out again and what happens, like if it grows out thicker, darker, and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm surely going to bring you guys like an update on what happened to my face after shaving it, okay? And I'm also going to let you guys know if I'm going to keep shaving it. Like for now, if I'm going to keep shaving my face, it's going to probably be once in 3 months. It's not going to be like a constant, like something you do every time. Mimi, stop, okay? I want them to hear me. So it's not going to be something I do every time, okay? I'm probably going to be shaving once in 3 months or so, but I don't know yet. It depends on how this like how my face reacts to this. Okay, so I'm hoping and keeping my fingers crossed that I don't break out from this, and I'm not going to apply anything on my face for the next 24 hours. Yeah, so I'm going to end this video here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for clicking in to watch this video. Thank you so much for staying till the end. I love you guys so much. Let me know like if you want to see more videos like this. Like leave your video suggestion in the comments area, guys. I'm going to end this video because she's not going to let me talk. She's going to keep talking as long as I'm talking, okay? So yeah, thank you so much. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye. See, oh yeah, tell them bye. Tell them bye. Bye. I want them to see your hand. She said bye. Tell them I love you.